Good morning and welcome to Sunday the 4th. It is the 4th of May, May the 4th if you will. Does anybody know anything about that date?
May the 4th be with you.
Oh, well done Hugo. Yes, so May the 4th. So that just means we're going nowhere near Hollywood Studios today because it is going to be crazy with people dressed up and doing all sorts of things. So we are heading to Magic Kingdom and it is the first time on the trip we're going to well, I suppose we went to Disney Springs, but it's the first time in an actual park. It's also Hugo's first time ever in a Disney theme park. So he wanted to go to Magic Kingdom first, so that's exactly what we're doing. We're not staying on Disney property yet. Tonight is our last night at the Rosen, so we're driving there this morning. So that does mean we will need to get parking. How much is the parking now, Dave?
$35.
$35 for parking. So that's a bit of a blow, but anyway, from tomorrow when we're on Disney property we won't need to pay that again. So it is currently 8:15 AM. The sat-nav is showing 20 minutes to get to Magic Kingdom this morning. Well, to the parking lot anyway, so that is great. We've also got these little things on, Magic Bands, which are amazing. They are ready to go. They've been charging back in the room. So I just need to check on my app to make sure that we've got them charged fully and also they're connecting. Let's have a little look. So when you are on the app, you just go down to the little hamburger down here, and why are you laughing at hamburger? Click on Magic Bands
Chicken with cheese
and cards. Look, this is very serious business, you lot. So here we are. This is my olive Magic Band on here, and we can see down here, yes, the battery is full. MagicBand Plus updates is up to date, and also Bluetooth, it is paired, so basically I'm all good to go. Hopefully, if the tickets have the right date on them, which they do, I've checked. So it feels really weird seeing myself in the viewfinder this morning wearing red. I never wear red, but there's a very good reason I'm wearing red. Hugo, why am I wearing red today?
Matching t-shirt.
It's matching t-shirt day, which I've never done. So quite, I was going to say I'm excited. Am I excited? I don't know. We shall see. What I am excited about is my shoes. And this is the reason I'm excited about my shoes. They are in Mickey Mouse colours. I've never worn these. So they're getting debuted in Magic Kingdom this morning. And they're red as well. So yeah, kind of all matches with the theme. So lots of photos there, I feel. And somebody else has Mickey Mouse shoes here as well. Hugo has got little Mickeys. How cute are they? I'll get a better picture of those later on. Actually, no, that's quite good. There you go. So we're just approaching the Magic Kingdom parking gates, where you pay through the nose of parking. Oh, that's our first monorail.
Hugo, Magic Kingdom sign in front.
You told me to get my phone ready.
Get your phone ready.
Oh yeah, it's $30 for standard parking. Well, there we go, they're open till 10 PM today.
Not staying till 10 PM.
No, we're not staying till 10 PM. So we're in, yeah, parking, standard parking is $30. You can pay preferred parking, but that's a lot more, I think that's $50. I asked about DVC discount on parking, and it's only if you're currently staying in a Disney DVC resort, which we're not until tomorrow. But anyway, never mind, we'll look forward to that tomorrow. Before we dive into Magic Kingdom, I'd just like to say thanks for being here. Being a new channel, I'm still finding my feet. I'd love to know what you guys think and what you'd like to see in your Disney vlogs. It will really help me out. So please drop a comment down below and I'd love to hear from you. So we are parked, so we are ready to go. So all the parking lot has got different characters, so you know which row you're in. So you've got heroes and villains. So we're in a hero, we're in Peter Pan. We're now just off to the parking tram lot, the first ride of the day. Quite exciting.
Here comes the next tram.
Good morning, folks.
So the first ride of the day, the parking lot tram, and we're all very excited about
When
this.
it's safe to board, please wait, everyone. Please wait, please wait. And here we are. Welcome aboard. Pull down on the door handle. Pull the door out towards you. Watch your head. Ceilings are low. 5 to a row. No lap seating except for infants.
Yeah, it's the Osmo.
Strollers, empty
It's
coat placed on the floor.
yeah, it's a gimbal. It is actually a new toy.
Feet and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children. Thank you.
Now, coming up for your entertainment this afternoon, we have the Festival Fantasy Parade at 3 o'clock. And this evening, it's Happily Ever After Fireworks Spectacular, 9 o'clock for the fireworks.
And we are through security, so onwards to the ferry boat. So those people who've been watching Rob's Small World and the lead up to this will know this is the Ticket and Transportation Centre, where you can either go on the monorail across to the Magic Kingdom or around the Magic Kingdom, or across the lagoon on the ferry boat. You can see the castle over there in the distance. That is where we're heading, over to the Magic Kingdom. So we're going to go across the Seven Seas Lagoon here. You can see the monorail track going around the sides. That's the other option to getting to Magic Kingdom. But yeah, we really wanted to do the ferry this morning because there's nothing quite like seeing the castle in the distance as we arrive. It is quite cloudy, so at least we can actually see the castle. That is something. I think we can have a better look at the shoes now. So yeah, these are my Mickey Mouse inspired trainers here. And now Hugo, let's have a closer look at yours. So, well, they've got Mickey on the back there. Oh, and they've got little hidden Mickeys for the air vents. Do you like them? Yes. Love them. It's really, well, it's not really wet. It's not like a massive storm, but it's a little bit drizzly, so I don't want to get the camera out too much. But we're heading to Tomorrowland. We're just doing a quick pit stop at the toilets or the restrooms, and then we're heading to Tomorrowland because it's Hugo's absolute favourite. He's been going on about it for months, so I hope it lives up to the hype. So all around the park you've got photo pass photographers. Look out for the green uniform, and what they will do is take your photo for you in a really professional way, and then all you do at the end, you just scan your MagicBand, and then those photos will just go straight to the app, so to my Disney Experience app. Sometimes there's fun things that you can do, like hold Tinkerbell and that sort of thing, but yeah, so they're really good at getting you to pose as well, so yeah, they know what they're doing. And then what we do, we just get them scanned on the MagicBand, hopefully.
There we go.
Thank you so much. So our first Disney snack today is a Mickey pretzel with the plastic gooey cheese. Let me just spin the camera around. It is a bit wet here today. It's just sort of drizzling. It's not horrendous. But yeah, so we're sheltering just under here for the minute to have our first snack before we hit up probably the PeopleMover, which is just going around up there. So I think the PeopleMover has gone down because of the rain. So we're going to go round to Buzz Lightyear.
Big, beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away. Man has a dream, and that's the start. He follows his dreams with mine.
Big mood complete. Enjoy your meal.
Anyone for pizza?
Oh, another Christmas turkey ruined.
Man, what a game. I really smoked those guys. Looks like I'm resident flying ace now.
Best 2 out of 3, Grandma.
Later, kid. Boy, that was fun. What will they think of next?
Who knows? We've got a whole new century waiting for us out there.
Yeah, and maybe sometime in the new century, your father will learn how to talk to our oven.
Well, maybe by then ovens will read our minds. But hey, as long as we're all here and happy and together for the holidays, who cares if I burned our Christmas turkey?
I do. I'm starving.
Don't worry, Dad. Someday everything's gonna be so automated you won't ever have to cook another Christmas turkey again.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
Well, safe to say the heavens have opened in Magic Kingdom. Oh my word. At the height of fashion, Uncle David.
Hi Hugo, let's go.
Lovely. It has rained a lot. I didn't dare get the camera out. I'll now insert some footage I took on my phone of Magic Kingdom flooding. Oh my word.
You could have a shower by there.
So we're just at Sleepy Hollow to get some snacks. Someone is desperate. Sleepy Hollow, someone's desperate for a corn dog, aren't they, Hugo? And then I think we'll get a sweet and spicy maple chicken. Amazing. Thank you. Wow, here we go. So the way I review food is as follows. So I look at presentation, taste, and then value, and it's hit or miss for each of those. So let's just have a look. We'll try it out on our first snack. Well, second snack. Can we review your hot dog?
It's a corn dog.
Oh, let's start again. Can we review your corn dog?
Yes.
So for how it looks, the presentation, is it hit or miss? A hit, and then for taste,
A
hit.
bit of a, well, the presentation, it's a bit of a miss. It's just a corn dog laid on just this.
Oh, okay, fine.
But taste is hit.
Hey, taste is a hit, and then value? Well, you didn't pay. Yeah, I say it's a hit on value for that. So there's a lot of wildlife out in Magic Kingdom today. So obviously the Disney ducks, but then can you also spot the little bunny rabbits as well over there? Maybe it's Thumper and his friend. Yeah, so it's warming up a little bit, and well, it's not pouring down with rain anymore, thank the Lord. What a start to Magic Kingdom. Anyway, the forecast was not that, but... So we've got the 2025 Christmas ornaments here, which is rather lovely. How much is that? It lights up as well. So that's $29.99. We've got a large one down here too. And there's some more 2025 stuff. That is rather dramatic. Look at this. Have you seen the poison apple from Snow White? Oh no, don't eat it, don't eat it. And more to the point, don't drop it.
Don't worry, I did not die.
Oh, good. Oh yes, I really like this ornament. Really three-dimensional as well. Let's see how much that is. $29.99. Not exactly cheap. Oh yeah, so this is good, isn't it? Because this is a specific Walt Disney World one, and it's got all 4 parts on there. And that one will set you back $34.99. So that was the old Christmas shop. So we're just going to go through Liberty Square, and we're then going to cut across to Adventureland for Pirates of the Caribbean.
And then should we do... What's the other one? Little Mermaid?
What, go back to Fantasyland?
Yeah.
Yeah, can do. Okay, we're now in Adventureland, ready for Pirates of the Caribbean.
just get a matching. Just vibrate. Then you put the candle up to your hands. Straight flame.
So we have come into the DVC Lounge in Magic Kingdom. It's really, really hidden, so it's a little secret. Oh, here's my friend with the ears. Hello. What do you think of the lounge so far? Thumbs up from Hugo. Whoa, look at him. You're gonna meet some characters. I don't think the ice is working on that one though.
That would be correct.
Yeah. What have we found here then?
I just tapped it.
Go on then, tap something. Oh, so these are the different resorts. So what's that one? That's Polynesia. And where else can we go? Cabin? Oh, sorry, go on. Where's that's that's the new one, the Polynesian. So we've just been presented with our opening day pin for McKim's Mall House. How lovely is that? Should we say hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Say hello. Oh, nice to meet you. Very polite bear.
It's a very polite man.
Oh no, he's gonna eat it. Oh, he's trying to remember. Oh.
It's like Winnie the Pooh, it's barely.
Uh-oh. Can you believe you got 2 autographs in half an hour? Uh-oh.
It's the same one. Hello again.
Hello. So we were so lucky to meet 2 of the country bears out of 3. So the third one is a bit elusive at the minute, but we're hoping to meet him very soon and get some autographs. We're heading over to Tom Sawyer Island for a little bit of change of pace, and you'll know you have to get the raft over there. So we're having some really lovely cast interactions today. We've just had some more PhotoPass photos done, and the guy was so friendly, really, really lovely. And of course the bears as well. I've just got a feeling the rest of the trip, every time in Frontierland, we're going to be looking for this elusive bear, but hopefully we'll see him at some point. Oh. Ah! So we've made it to Tom Sawyer Island, just on the Barrel Bridge. That's leaning quite a lot there, actually. I do not want this camera going in the water. Ah! If there were bats in here, I don't think Uncle David would come in.
Oh, it like mine.
Oh, I just got dripped.
We're going down to the chamber.
Oh my, I nearly got stuck.
You guys want to follow him? Go see what he's up to. Want to follow him or no? You want to go see what he's up to? That's okay.
Should we see what he's doing, Hugs?
What do you think he sees? What'd you find over here? Oh, nothing. There's another one. You got an autograph for you?
No, it's not. I'm sure it's not. Oh, thank you.
Uh-oh.
What's this bear called?
This is Big Al.
Big Al. Oh, amazing. So we haven't been into Fantasyland yet, so we're just heading there now. We're so happy. We met the third of the country bears, so we met Big Al, and he was really lovely. So yeah, the autograph book is going well so far. So I think we're going to look at Peter Pan's flight, which normally has a really big wait, but I was looking at it, it was looking about 40 minutes, which is sort of unheard of really, so let's go have a look. This is like one of the nicest rooms. Oh, actually, I think this is my favourite room. Actually, the jungle. I love the giraffes. They're so good. There's Nana left outside. So we're just going through the Darning family house. It's a beautiful view of Big Ben out the window that we are going to fly out of. Yeah. And they've got their swords there. This is cool, isn't it, over London?
Yeah, Tower Bridge.
Skull Rock. Oh, love the crocodile. So continuing our Fantasyland tour, we are now heading over to see Ariel. So yeah, after a very wet and cold start this morning, we are well on our way now. It's nice and warm and the sun's come out. I think we're going to get some thunder and lightning a bit later on, but for the minute we're fine. So we're going under the sea with Ariel and friends. I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Was he cider? Wait, let me start at the middle. Wait, no, what am I thinking? That's a terrible place to start a story. I'll just... wants to get the girl, and do I help her? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls. Yes, I went into shade too bad. You got a risky girl.
So we want to get back to the front of the park, so we are going to go through Storybook Circus to the Fantasyland train station, which is just around here somewhere. Thanks, bye. We pulled into... We want the resort. Where's the resort? We pulled into Main Street just as Festival of Fantasy Parade is coming through. So that is on the itinerary to watch at some point this trip. Cannot wait. But we're just going to the resort monorail before the crowds come out from the parade. So we're going to nip round to the Grand Floridian. So you'll remember from the perfecting videos, anyone can get on the resort monorail. You don't have to be staying in one of the monorail resorts. So we've just left Magic Kingdom and we're going to be going through the Contemporary, then round to the TTC, Ticket and Transportation Centre, then the Polynesian, and then round to the Grand Floridian. So the resort monorail goes in the clockwise direction, and the other one goes anti-clockwise. So there's quite a bit of renovation work going on at the Grand Floridian at the moment in the lobby. This has been in the pipeline for quite a long time, but it's actually happening now. So you can't hear the piano at the moment. I don't know if it is still being played while the renovation is happening. Hopefully, because it's a really nice little touch. So let's just spin you around and have a look at what is happening. So there's quite a lot of construction boards down here, and we will find out what that is going to be. Very lonely piano over there, but yeah, it's still really beautiful. Over on the right hand side there is Enchanted Rose, which is a lounge based on Beauty and the Beast, and it's a really like grown up sort of take on it. It's really lovely. It's not like the animated version, it's definitely more the film version, and it's really subtle. We'll go in there and have a look in a bit. Another favourite at Grand Floridian is Basin. There's one of these in Disney Springs as well, but really, really lovely soaps and toiletries. So let's go have a look. I can see some people in there looking at the bath bombs and soaps already. I really wish you could smell what we're smelling in here at the minute. They are amazing. It's almost 7 PM, so we had a lovely day in Magic Kingdom and then also going around to the Grand Floridian. We got back to the hotel at the Rosen, so it's our last night at the Rosen tonight. Hugo went in the pool, met some little friends. We didn't go in the pool today. We were quite tired after a whole day in the parks. So now we are off for a little snack. We're not all that hungry, to be honest. So we're just going to go over to Applebee's again because it's literally just across the road from the hotel. Oh, we're looking out for lizards as well. So yeah, we're going to go to Applebee's, have a little bite over there for our last night on International Drive. First part of the holiday coming to an end. So this is directly just out the gate from Rosen Inn. And then, as we said, across the road we've got Applebee's. There's loads of little gift shops. I don't know what that lighthouse is actually. It looks quite good. So I'm not sure how this passed me by the other night. The Bacardi buckets. Oh, so you can get the Rum Breeze, Party on the Beach, or the Strawberry Daiquirita. Interesting. I don't know how we share them though. Would you put 2 straws in? No, it's not. It's a bucket.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that was good.
So I didn't go for a perfect bucket in the end. I went for the perfect margarita, which I'm really looking forward to. But up here, something else I've seen, marketing, perfect margarita flavour flight. Oh my word. What on earth is going on here? The food has arrived, and over here we've got the chicken wonton tacos, which look rather good. And then we've got the waffle fries, which have got bacon on. And then over here, the onion rings, which we're familiar with now, aren't we?
Is that good?
You got it?
I think so. It keeps...
No. It's epic.
So we have ordered the chocolate melt, which has arrived here, with vanilla ice cream, and it looks rather delicious. Join me next time where we will be moving on to Disney property and staying at Kidani Village, and we'll also begin to explore Animal Kingdom. I'll see you then.